This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Michelle Cook. Fisherman's Paradise. Assigned boat slips, community boat ramp, boat trailer parking, tiki huts, heated and chilled pool, and ample parking. 200 feet wide canal with a 6 feet controlled depth can accommodate boats up to 50 feet in length. Extensive repairs from Hurricane Irma are almost finished, including new roofs, spalling and painting of all buildings. No current or pending assessments. All repairs are being paid from insurance settlements. The unit has a large inside storage closet for all your fishing gear. Just a short walk to Coco Plum Beach, 1 mile. This is a second floor unit, so no flood worries. Newly renovated after Hurricane Irma with crown molding, granite countertops, on-demand water heater, ceiling fans and more. Murphy bed stays, other furnishings negotiable. For more information